So what do you think of the new shoes, man?
Hey, love them, love them. And they're free. I don't know all that.
I probably would have stopped. Kind of motivated me, and then I didn't want an old man to beat me, so it kind of motivated me to keep on going. And it's the same thing in life, man. When you're battling and battling and battling, and you don't think you can do it, you don't think you can make it, you can. You just got to push yourself to do that.
Yeah. That finish line.
So, I mean, when I crossed the finish line, yes, I fell to the ground and I laid there for like 5 minutes and I thought I was going to die. But it was rewarding in the sense of I fulfilled an accomplishment that I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to run the whole 5K, and I was able to do that, and it was awesome.
Yeah.